Hi. Taking a screenshot on a Mac, super easy. I'm going to show you how to get that going. So let's get to it. First of all, you're going to need something to screenshot. So in this case, I just have this Lego block that I would like to screenshot. A couple of different ways to do it. If you press Shift, Command, and 3, it's going to screenshot the entire screen. Okay, so when I open that up, you can see exactly that it did the entire thing. However, I usually don't need the entire screen screenshotted. I'm looking for like one little area. And so I could drag and drop across that by using a different shortcut. So Shift Command 4 is going to bring up this little bullseye mark. And then I just click and drag across and release. And it creates the screenshot. So when I click on that little preview, now I can see exactly what it is that I screenshotted. So if I want a smaller one, that's what I want to do. So again, Shift Command 3 is going to screenshot everything. Shift Command 4 allows you some flexibility as far as what you screenshot. Now you'll notice over on my desktop that's where those screenshots popped up. Right? So in Finder, when I open up after I take a screenshot, if I go to Recents, it's going to show up there. In this case, it's going to show up on my desktop. But if I don't want to put those on my desktop, like I have a problem with clutter and clutter blindness, pretty soon before I know it, everything is cluttered. I want to save that to a different location. So in order to do that, I'm going to press Shift Command 5, okay, and that's going to bring up a different menu. It's going to allow me to do captures manually just by clicking. I could record as well, so if I was making a video cast, I could do that. And it's going to give me options. If I open up options, I can then save to a different location. So my other location that I want to save to, if I click on that, it's going to bring up the Finder. I think I'm going to save it in Downloads, and I'm going to create a new folder called Screenshots. That way it's going to keep it nice and clean, and I'll just put it in my Downloads folder in a folder called Screenshots. So now when I go ahead and capture, let's try this, Shift Command 3, and I could open that up and do editing at this point if I want, and then just hit done. That is now going to show up in my Finder. If I look in Recents, and momentarily it might take a minute to show up, but it is going to be in my Downloads, in Screenshots. If I double click on that, open it up, there we go. So it actually shot, because I have 3 different screens. When I press Shift Command 3, it actually takes a screenshot of all of those. So that is how you do screenshots. So again, Shift Command 3, Shift Command 4, Shift Command 5.